Good morning, and I appreciate your time in watching this in-depth talk on using AI and ML for support automation. Today, we'll explore how these innovative tools are reshaping traditional customer service models. More and more businesses are automating their support operations with the aid of AI and ML to provide better, more efficient customer service as the state of technology continues to advance. Technology advancements in areas such as chatbot interactions and automated ticketing systems are having a major influence on how customer service is delivered by organizations. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, are particularly useful for support automation because they can be trained to do routine tasks without human intervention. If these routine tasks can be automated, companies may put their employees to work on more strategic, high-value initiatives. The end result is improved productivity and effectiveness in providing service to customers. Another major perk of employing AI and ML for support automation is the capability to provide responses to customer inquiries that are both precise and swift. By way of illustration, chatbots may be taught to understand human speech and provide appropriate responses to customers' questions. This not only improves the customer's overall experience but also has the ability to increase the customer's degree of happiness. Machine learning algorithms are used to evaluate consumer data and give insights into customer behavior. However, AI and ML aren't simply employed for communicating with customers. Through analysis of consumer data, businesses may identify trends and patterns that may lead to improvements in goods and services. As a result, we can better tailor our efforts to the needs of each individual consumer. Rising levels of customer satisfaction can be directly attributed to the increasing prevalence of AI and ML-based support automation solutions used by enterprises of all sizes. Users appreciate not having to wait on hold or navigate a convoluted phone menu to get their questions answered or resolve their issues. It's important to remember that AI and ML aren't magic bullets, they're tools that, like any others, require careful application and deployment in order to provide the intended results. It's important to remember that AI and ML aren't meant to replace human customer care reps, but rather to work alongside them to help businesses provide better support. The field of customer service looks to have a bright future, and as technology advances, we may expect to see further ways in which AI and ML might improve the service a business offers its customers. All sorts of applications, from predictive analytics to simulated agents, are theoretically possible. So, business owners who want to better serve their clientele should look into the many benefits of incorporating machine learning and AI into their operations. We hope you learned something from the video and we appreciate you taking the time to watch it. Those who have questions or comments can leave them in the space provided below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos about cutting-edge innovations in technology.